Tim called me about an hour ago. Come on in.
Yep. All right, see you later. Okay, Fred, take care.
There's a skeleton in it.
Yeah, there is.
Get my 7 degrees on it. $625.
Yeah, when he showed me the bill, I fainted.
Yeah. But it's okay.
You got it right on lines on the inside. That's smart. Right on lines are on it.
Right? Yeah.
Oh. 106 cars. Fine, right?
Okay. We're standing behind the blue
San Francisco, they drove mansions.
Oh.
Those little boxy mansions. We're just
The boys in
That's what I did. Right now when I'm downtown, the main one I'm showing is 67 Barracuda Fastback. That this car history and I could never.
It's a mixture of a truck and a car. I'm trying to think, okay, you know Rosewood? You know where the best officers are from?
Say hi to YouTube.
What's up, baby? What? Where you at? I'm not gonna throw a cop car right now. Have a good one, man. Yeah, take care. Yeah? Oh.
Okay, I'm heading that way. I'm the opposite end.